Welcome to Oti region, one of Ghana's newest administrative regions, carved from the Volta region in 2019. Oti region is enriched with beautiful shores, wonderful landscapes, hills for hiking, tropical forests, savanna lands, grasslands. Oti region is rich in ecosystem. The climate that is divided into dry and wet seasons sustains our agriculture and ecological biodiversity. Spanning over 11,070 square kilometers, this captivating land is celebrated for its cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and endless adventures. Bordered by diverse terrains and enriched water bodies like the Oti River and Lake Volta, the region thrives on vibrant local livelihoods and offers exciting aquatic activities for visitors. Relish the region's rich cuisines with local foods like fufu, akple, paired with traditional drinks such as palm wine and pito. The region's religious diversity further reflects its inclusive spirit. Oti region is a melting pot of 25 ethnic groups, including the Guans, the Grumas, and the Ewes. Festivals like the Nchumbru Yam Festival, Nanaba Festival, and Aquatuntintin Festival brings this cultural vibrancy to life with music, dance, and storytelling. Explore the ancient Hanging Village of Shiare or unwind at the serene Shiare Waterfalls. After that, you can take a hike in the Breast Mountain or the biodiversity-rich Chaiso Forest Reserve, to Kyabobo National Park or Digya National Park, teeming with wildlife and adventure. Discover iconic landmarks from Dream Village, an eco-tourism hub offering regenerative agriculture training and culture exchanges. Lake Volta and Oti River offers bird watching, fishing, and island explorations. From there, we will take you to the Dumbai Market, which is the hub of commerce and culture, showcasing agriculture products, traditional crafts, and vibrant dances, especially during peak seasons. Either you are looking for a cultural immersion or a thrilling adventure, from hiking trails, island explorations, scenic boat rides, cultural exchange, language exchange starts here at Dream Village, where we give you a package that suits your needs. Oti region, where cultural richness meets natural beauty, a hidden gem for eco-tourists, culture enthusiasts, and adventure seekers. Plan your journey with Dream Village now.